Describing words. When we talk about something, we don't normally say what it is. We even describe it, don't we? For example, when we see a building and say, "Look at this building," it is because we want to say something about the building. So we may say, "See how tall it is." The word tall says something about the building. It is a describing word. Here is one more example. Look at this flower. It is a pretty flower. The word pretty says something about the flower. It describes the flower. It is a describing word. In the same way, if you say, "This is a red pencil," you are describing the pencil, saying what kind of pencil it is. That's it. All these describing words answer the question, what kind of? Which one? We have learnt that describing words say something about the naming word. We have understood that describing words answer the question, what kind of? A describing word may also answer the question, which one? I want that sweet. I don't want this one. Let us have another example. This bat is broken. These children are playing. Those birds are feeding. You must also note that when something is close, you use this, and when there are many such things, you use these. But when they are away from you, you use that or those. How many? How much? Sometimes, when we use a naming word, we need to say how many and how much. When you go to the shop, you ask the shopkeeper, "How much is this?" The shopkeeper says, "This is 100 rupees." Rupees is the naming word. 100 says how many rupees. This is another kind of describing word. Look at these pictures and say how many or how much each one is. There is one cat on the wall. We can say, there is a cat on the wall. There are 2 rats in this burrow. Do you want some money? No, thanks. I have 10 rupees. Shall we try this out? Come on, let's have some action. Singing. This well-known song can be sung in cycles or simply together. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 9 green bottles standing on the wall. 9 green bottles standing on the wall. 9 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 8 green bottles standing on the wall. 8 green bottles standing on the wall. 8 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 7 green bottles standing on the wall. 7 green bottles standing on the wall. 7 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 6 green bottles standing on the wall. 6 green bottles standing on the wall. 6 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 5 green bottles standing on the wall. 5 green bottles standing on the wall. 5 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 4 green bottles standing on the wall. 4 green bottles standing on the wall. 4 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 3 green bottles standing on the wall. 3 green bottles standing on the wall. 3 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 2 green bottles standing on the wall. 2 green bottles standing on the wall. 2 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 1 green bottle standing on the wall. 1 green bottle standing on the wall. 1 green bottle standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be no green bottle standing on the wall. Words showing where. Very often, we don't find the things we want. We need help and we ask, where is it? For example, when you can't find the cup, you ask, where is the cup? Your mother answers, it is in the cupboard. Where else? You sometimes misplace your things and ask, I can't find my books. Can someone tell me where they are? Then your brother says, look, they are under the table. You must have dropped them. So words in and under show where. Shall we call them directing words? There are many directing words. They are on, in, under, over, above, below, before, behind, upon, etc.